Hello, it's Oleg from VanTourist YouTube channel, and on this channel we talk about self-made campervans and travels. In the comments section of my videos about traveling in my campervan to the Norway, if you didn't saw these videos, you really should. I will leave the link in the description. People always ask me, Oleg, how you find these free and amazing places to stay, like this one or that, this one or even this or that. And in this video I will answer to this question. There are a couple of ways to find these amazing places to stay. For example, you can search on the travelers and campervan users forums and boards, or find a local group of tourists that know surroundings and could advise you something, or even search on the Google Maps satellite pictures where you could find some side roads going from the main road with some picnic zone near the rivers and lakes. It's a little harder way, but you can do that. But in this video I will show you the way that mostly I use to find these places, and it's a park4night app on my phone. And basically that's all. Just download this park4night app on your phone and search and find the places you want to stay. But to the people who want to know more, I show you how I use this app, and we together will find some nice places to stay all around the Europe. By the way, this is not an ad for this app, because I really know only one app that has so many users and so many places to stay all around the world, and all people I met on my travels use this app, so basically it's only one. And right now we will find how this app works, how it looks, and together we will find some amazing places to stay all around the Europe in different countries. And for the convenience I will add screen of my phone right there. So we launch the park4night app, and we have a main screen with four big buttons. It's a map, my selection with saved places, places around me, and searching places on the trip. So I will show you the basic functions, and one of the most important is in the settings. Here we can choose types of the places we want to find. So it could be parks for campervans with amenities, which is very rare, honestly, which is free, and paying car park, so it's basically camping grounds, and many other places like private and service places where you can refill and drain your water, and picnic areas with barbecue and tables, all that, and places surrounded by nature. It's main places I usually search for, like in the forest or near the rivers, lakes, sea, or whatever, and some just parking places, which basically kind of free place to stay, and it could be both in the city, in the countryside, or even in or near the river or the lake, just the asphalt space for free staying. And that's usually my settings. The places I want to search for. The camping place is usually for camping with tents, and they are paying campgrounds. So that's my settings, and we will trying to search some places right now. We go to the map, and let's try to find some places in like in Germany, let's say. So near the Stuttgart, we will search for some kind of lake, maybe a river. Yeah, right there. Yeah, on near the sea, whatever. So we hit the button here, and we see some places here. So usually I trying to search for this tree one, and like this one. So let's find what this place about. So it's parking away from the road at the edge of the forest, no services, which is pretty fine. And let's see what it have. Like gravel parking in the forest. Looks pretty nice, nothing special. This place has some comments, and this is the main feature of this app. It's the comments, because in the comments you can find out what this place is really about, how the people use it, because this place is added by other users, just like me and you, and these people could stay on the place, like it, take some photos and add it to the app and drive away, and maybe this place could change, or maybe it's not real that good. So people leave comments, and from the comments we can find out is this place really worth it or not. So you can see these comments on the in the German language, but we can hit the translate button and instantly it will translate it to the English, which is so good. So good for a night, too loud during the day, yeah, because main road and highway, okay, okay. So it's 4 stars, it's not bad, not bad. The 5 stars is super, you can say, it's matching language translation, so nice to walk with a dog, okay. And other comments, sufficiently far from the road, small lotto, okay. So we can find, let's find another place, just random place in, like, maybe in France, maybe, yeah. Let's see some place in France, maybe here, like there, like near the sea. So you see a lot of places. Okay, we'll zoom right there. Yeah, you can see 3 places there. Oh, it's 18 comments, which is really nice, because oh yeah, it's really huge kind of place to park. So yeah, photos is nice, it's okay, and a lot of comments will show you what this place about perfectly. So it's a lot of things. Like you usually want to see the bad ratings, because it's 3 stars. So yeah, this guy or girl didn't like something, so you can see what is wrong with this place. Very nice, beautiful walk, beach, and not great for tranquility. Attention, most spots higher up on the street actually private lots. So yeah, it's kind of tricky place. Um, Also, you can see here is this small icons. This one, it's describes the place like quickly, like it's the fishing and seaside here, and some trials and some sports going on there, like windsurfing, I think. So yeah, you could see this, and oh yeah, another place, very nice. It's good rating, and yep. Let's see the pictures. Ooh, it's now, oh, very nice place. Very nice place. It's some kind of harbor. Views alone in the world. Okay, okay. The comments show, yeah, super calm. And what else? Quite beautiful. No access to the bay, so you couldn't access the bay. And you can find it's all over the Europe, and not only the Europe. It works for the US too. So you can see it's not so many places in the US, because it's not that popular there. But yeah, you could find some places. Maybe, I think maybe there on this side of the country. Yeah, it's not that much, because you can see it's not that a lot. But if I will search somewhere there, it's like bam! It's just massive amount of places, just hundreds and hundreds. So it's mostly for Europe, but in the Europe, yeah, every country you see there, like Greece, Romania, Poland, Germany, Norway, Sweden, Italy, France, Belgium, Netherlands, all the places have tons of places to stay. And how usually I search the place I want to stay. So for example, I want to go like Germany, from Berlin to the Denmark maybe, which is here, and I think, okay, I will go and want to stay somewhere around here. I want to find the place before I go, because if you go first and you drive and decide, okay, I want to stay somewhere now, you have a limit of spaces around you able to reach. But if you find the place before you go, it's more variety of places. So I think, okay, maybe somewhere here I could stay, and it's a lot of places. But what I usually do, I go to the list of places. It's the same places that shows on the map right now, so it's list. And if you have a pro version of the app, and it's a main reason to have it, you can sort the places by the number of comments, which is really handy, because the more trustable, more popular place is usually better and have more comments. But if you don't have this pro version of the app, which is not very pricey, I think it's about $5 a month, and you can have it like a subscription. You have it for a month or two, and while you travel, and then you cancel it and get it again when you need it. But if you have a free version, it's okay. You can search it yourself. Like, I think I saw here, yeah, it's 5 stars, 5 comments, very nice place with a lot of things going on around, with fishing, beach, trials, and all the activities. And for dogs, it's okay, and have a trash bin. You can see all that's here, and 5 comments here. So let's see the most recent one. Super parking for one night, and directly from the parking you could take a stairs down to the beach, and good weather, enjoy sunsets, toilet house under construction, but yeah, it's like August comment, so maybe now it's fine. And we can see the pictures. It's some kind of, what is it? I don't know, it's German, but some kind of service. Oh, I think it's a parking, so it's not free, I think. Yeah, you can see here parking cost is €2 for hour, I think, or €8 for the day, maybe. I don't know. Okay, I don't want to pay for parking, for example. I can search more, like 7 comments, and this place, okay, it's in city. I don't want a city, so 10 comments here. Oh yeah, oh, this looks pretty nice. This looks okay, so like half country, half town. But if I want some kind of particular place, like I want it to be there, like near this lake, so I can search what we have here. Picnic area. Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I like it. I like it. Near the small road, I think it's very quiet, and we have 2 comments. So it's a small beach directly at the sunbathing area. Nice. Beautiful, located right on the lake with forest edge. It's fine. It's fine for me. So if I decided that it's fine for me, I can click on localization, and I will see where it is, and I can tap here and choose to drive there on my apps. So I will choose the Google Apps, and it will find this place. It takes a little time. So I usually use a different navigation system on my tablet, so not on a phone, because I don't like the small screen of the phone, but you can do that too. So I found the place, and I can get it right from there. I'm in Moscow right now, so it will make a route directly to this place. So it's that easy. I just find a place, see comments, see pictures, like it, and go right there. That's easy. And you can find these places all over the Europe, no problem. So think for yourself. It might be free, it might be paying sometimes for parking, and it will usually will not have any services like no electricity, no water, no dumping of toilet. Sometimes it could have toilets, but very rare it has showers, maybe only on the beach, some kind of parking spaces. Just take in mind that this place is added by other users of the app with their pictures and opinions, so you need to have your own one and always have a second place to move quickly if you don't like the first one or it might be closed even. So yeah, but if you take your time and browsing through these different places and read the comments, see the pictures, you certainly will find the amazing places, and I guarantee it will be very interesting and beautiful, and one of the best places you will find in your life. And many times people think that traveling in campervan, motorhomes, RVs or whatever is very tricky and pricey and hard. You need to go to camping grounds and pay for it and book the place and arrive at a certain time and leave it at a certain time, and it's not very fun staying around 50 other motorhomes around with many people going on, and yeah, I show you the alternative way where you could find the amazing nature places on the fjords, lakes, seas, forests, rivers, whatever you want. That's all for this video. I hope you like it and it was informative and entertaining for you to watch. See you in the next one, and bye!